We like food.
Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be smoking a whole turkey on the Weber Kettle. Turkey can be tricky to get right and not be dry as a bone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a perfect juicy turkey for your family and friends. To start off, you'll need a large pan that fits inside your Weber Kettle. We're going to be making a beautiful bed of veg for the turkey to sit on. This will mix with the juices flowing out of the turkey to make some of the most amazing gravy you've ever tasted. To start, add chopped onion, celery, and carrots. Then crush a whole clove of garlic. There's no need to peel it. Lay it all out on the tray in a single layer. Then add some fresh rosemary and thyme. Finally, fill the tray with ½ an inch of water to stop the veg burning on the bottom of the tray. Next, we're going to prep the butter that'll be rubbed under the skin of the turkey. Crush and peel 1 head of garlic before dicing. Then chop some parsley. Next, the zest of 1 lemon. Add to the bowl 200 grams of butter. The secret weapon to this is chicken stock that I get from my local Chinese supermarket. It packs a whole nother level of flavor. Add 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, ½ a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, we're going to be setting up the Weber Kettle. Place the charcoal baskets on either side before adding your lit charcoal. Top with the fresh charcoal. This is called the minion method. Cover with the lid and allow it to come up to a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit. Now it's time to prep this bird. Start by tucking the wings underneath. Next, the weirdest part of prepping a turkey, start from the chest cavity and run your fingers under the skin to separate it from the meat. We're going to be stuffing this pocket with a beautiful butter mixture. This keeps the meat moist and adds a whole nother level of flavor. Then we're going to stuff the cavity with the onion chopped in half. Next, take a lemon and cut little holes into it so that when the lemon heats up inside the turkey, it releases all its juices. After that, truss the legs together using cooking string. Give all the skin of the turkey a good rub to remove any moisture. Season with salt, followed by the chicken stock powder. Place the turkey on the tray. Because the breast meat cooks way faster than the thighs, cover the breast with a sheet of foil. Time to start cooking. Add your choice of wood to the charcoal. With turkey, it'll take on a lot of smoke flavour, so don't get heavy-handed with it. Now here's a trick for cooking a whole turkey in a kettle barbecue. I set the trays on the edge of the charcoal baskets. This gets the tray low enough that the turkey isn't touching the lid. Just be careful to balance it correctly. This is the main reason for adding the water to the tray, because the heat source is so close to the turkey. Cover with the lid and allow to cook for 1 hour. After an hour, the thighs are looking good. Remove the foil from the breast. Top up the charcoal baskets before covering with the lid to cook for 1 more hour. This turkey is looking beautiful. Make sure you check the temperatures for doneness. That's 76 Celsius or 168 Fahrenheit. Remove from the barbecue. Now to make that beautiful gravy. Pour out the juices from the turkey into the tray. Then carefully remove the onion and lemon from the turkey cavity. Then pour out the remaining liquid gold. Set the turkey to one side to rest for at least 1 hour. The extended resting time makes all the difference. It gives you a tender, juicy turkey. Now back to the gravy. Place the tray over medium heat. Scrape all the fond from the bottom of the tray and slice the lemon in half. I like my turkey gravy to have a beautiful, strong lemon flavour, but if that's not your thing, remove the lemon from the tray at this point. Bring it to the boil before adding 1 large, roughly chopped tomato. Next, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix through. Season with the chicken stock and salt, followed by white pepper. Top up with water and bring up to the boil before simmering for ½ an hour. To finish off the gravy, strain all that beautiful liquid either into a pot or a pan. I had to change to a pan because the pot didn't like the cooktop surface. Make sure you squeeze out as much of that liquid as you can. Simmer for another 15 minutes until it thickens. Now to carve up this beautiful turkey. Start by removing the string. Then cut between the thigh and the breast before slowly working around the bone. Pull down the thigh and drumstick until the joint lets go. Cut through the remaining meat. Slice between the drumstick and thighs and repeat on the other side. Next, locate the chest bone and slice down one side, carefully removing the breast. Please don't carve your turkey like they do in the movies. It goes against the grain and leaves you with chewy meat. Repeat on the other side. Then remove the wings before cutting off the tail, which was my favourite little snack for all the hard work. Look how juicy this turkey is. The butter mixture also adds so much flavour. With the breast sliced at a 45-degree angle, this will ensure it cuts against the grain. For the thighs, remove the bone before slicing. Plate it up and there you have it, a whole turkey smoked on a Weber Kettle. This turkey is tender and juicy while packed full of flavour. Serve it up with your favourite side dishes and top with that tangy gravy. Just a word of warning, once you've cooked a turkey this good, your family and friends are going to expect you to do it every year. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.